Hi, I'm Rupert. I'm at the Oxfam Supply Centre in Bicester. From here, shipments of equipment developed by Oxfam for use in humanitarian disasters are organised and sent out to emergencies across the world.
The activity you see behind here is part of our response activities, part of safe water promotion. We have been able to install the emergency water supply and distribution systems.
Many years ago, Oxfam decided to focus on the need for the safe water supply and provision of sanitation as a crucial part of humanitarian response work. And we developed specialist systems to deliver safe, clean water and appropriate sanitation facilities. The reason for this was to reduce the impact of deadly diseases caused by contaminated water and poor sanitation. Oxfam is actually seen as the authority in the WASH sector, WASH being water, sanitation and hygiene. There was a need to supply a large plumbing system in kit form for water treatment and storage that would serve thousands of people. And in addition, many other pieces of specially developed equipment evolved with input from communities that we work with, like these shown by my colleague Farai.
The tap stand, it is multiple access, which allows more people to access water at the same time. It is connected to a water source. The tap is an easy to use, just press on, and this allows easy access for anyone. Simple portable hand washing station made up of light materials. This can be rapidly assembled and can be placed anywhere within the site. It has 2 compartments. It allows for water and also liquid detergent. And then we've got 2 taps for the water, so it enables 2 people to wash their hands at the same time. It is a known fact that hand washing goes a long way in the prevention of diseases.
Taking a design from farm grain silos, a new tank was developed. Behind me, I've got an Oxfam water tank. It's made of steel, it has a liner inside, it's very robust, but it's also quick and easy to set up. The reason you want secure, safe tanks is so you can store your clean drinking water and people can access it close to where they live. And it's an essential part of providing safe, clean water to people around the world. Over the years, the tank has had many upgrades, including the addition of a steel roof, a water level meter, and a PVC liner. There are other types of tanks that are used in the provision of water in emergencies, like these flexible tanks, also called bladder or onion tanks. Oxfam is continually innovating in the humanitarian WASH sector, with many items and systems currently in development, and we won't stop there. Our way of responding has also developed, as we know that in every response there is a need for local knowledge and experience. So we also make sure that we consult and engage with communities, so they are included and involved in decisions.
Oxfam have taken what I believe is a really solid approach to the humanitarian response, which is a partner-led response. There's a move to work more through what we call a localized approach, so working through local partners, local actors. Local partners are aware of the immediate needs within the affected areas. That could be areas affected by conflict, and they know their communities and the exact needs required in that. Also having a partner-led approach, as Oxfam does, it's more efficient and it's also more sustainable.
Because we believe that the community are the first and the last responder in any crisis. We're going to select the project that is a priority for them. They are the survivors of the drought, they are the survivors of the floods and the conflict. They are given the resource to make a decision for themselves in order to enable them to regain the economic stability and to foster resilience.
Each group, they have proposed different interventions. So for us to give grant to a specific group, we did what we are calling community validation. So it's the community to decide what is key for them in that area. Ours is just facilitating the process.
Beyond immediate humanitarian needs, ways to deliver water systems and sanitation solutions that will work for communities in the long term are being developed by our Oxfam WASH teams.
Greenfirst Foundation and Oxfam has been implementing water supply project in 3 different districts. The major challenge is the sustainability of water supply scheme. So we have explored board model, that is the alternative management model, where all the water supply scheme can be clustered into the one bundle and managed by board for the sustainability of water supply scheme.
So today we have a professional board in place. The national government has also recognized the bundling of water supply systems into one under a management board as an alternative management model. The local government regulates the board and ensures that the quality service is provided to the community, and the community in return to the service they receive, they pay a tariff.
This board model works very closely with the local authority so that it comes under the government of Nepal, and that makes it something that is quite strong but also something that will last well beyond Oxfam being in the area. By ensuring water is accessible, you increase people's economic productivity, you increase girls going to school, you increase people's health and improve that, you increase people's engagement with water systems, and so the knock-on effects of water are massive and they make a massive difference in a community.
I like the way that Oxfam is very holistically thinking. It's not just about the water, it's also about health and hygiene, it's also about education, it's also about community involvement and so on. That this is really something that is part of a bigger picture instead of just a water project, but it's part of a bigger picture. I like that about Oxfam.
We believe that when people come together, powerful change can happen. Oxfam is a partner to communities around the world tackling poverty and challenging systems to improve lives in a changing world. Please contact us to find out more about supporting our work.